Me and Elston, we're just walking around in Waikiki. Waikiki, this is Waikiki, right? Huh? Little what? The what? Oh, the APC?
5 for $30.
5 what? Oh, we don't need to be buying stuff here. It's too expensive. But this is Waikiki. It's not Waikiki. What do you call this place? Still in Guam, but we don't have any ride, so we're exploring the island by doing the traditional way of walking and enjoying the sightseeing of people doing constructions, like over here. Yeah, I believe we have some chukis in the house. Yes. Oh, tight space, tight space. Yeah. All right, that's right. So, yes. Elston, hurry up. Elston is in the background. Oh, we have a challenger back there. He's also doing his own vlog. And then mommy is like never chuk. Huh? Come on, Elston, hurry up. Yaripa, yaripa. Yaripa, yaripa. There's a lot of military personnel over here. Just wait. All right, there goes one. See, there goes one. Oh, it's so hot. So, just a quick recap from last night, Friday's celebration of the wedding. So, it was a beautiful night, beautiful wedding. No complaints. The food was good. The food was beautifully, amazingly delicious. Yes. Mommy, what do you think about the food? It was good? Huh? Elston, what do you think about the food last night? Was it good? Huh? What do you think about the food last night? Was it good? Huh? Was it? Huh? What do you think about the food last night? Was it good? Yeah, I like it too. I like the food. I like the food, the futa. I like the food, the futa. Yes, anyway, last night it was so nice. Oh, and guess what? We're headed to Hyatt. Is it Hyatt? Hyatt Regency. That's where the wedding was held last night, and so we're going back to check out some people back there. Some very, very important and famous people here in town, here on Guam. They traveled all the way from Kansas City, and so that's where they're staying at this nice hotel. Huh? I cannot be walking and pulling this back and then vlogging and then calling people. It's gonna make me sweat a lot. Even just talking on the phone, it's gonna make you sweat a lot. Our family, the host, she just brought us down here on Guam and then she forgot about us. So now we're homeless and carless. But it's good though. We're doing some exercise and hello. Yes, it's okay. All right. Oh. Okay. I think no, actually we're back to this hotel because like I said, because the food was so good last night, we decided to come back and see if we can ask for some leftovers from last night. You know how it is, we do it, right? Chukis. There's always a leftover food from the night before, the day before. So yeah, we're here to actually ask if they have some leftovers for us so that we can have some. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down. We're gonna head inside and then we'll see you guys soon, okay? All right, so this is the main entrance right there. That's the lobby. See, this is a very expensive hotel, and this is where Arpian Yaku Arpian who? Arpian yeah, they're at this hotel. What up? Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down for a bit. Yeah. See, this is the person that I was talking about. She stays at this very expensive hotel. The only problem is she's staying at the hotel, but Stephen is not. Woo! Feels good. See, look at this. She's taking us to her room. It's got a jacuzzi and stuff like that. All of that. Yeah.
Sorry, we missed you.
Your room is what?
What happened and we missed you?
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Press this one. Record. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do a countdown. 1, 2, and 3. But see? That's what I was talking about. Man, this place is nice. Elston, what room did you stay in? Oh yeah, sorry. I forgot. You don't have a room here. But isn't it beautiful, right? So all of this space down here, it's like pretty much a dance floor. So that's just the dance floor for if you have a wedding ceremony going on. That's just the dance floor. I'm kidding. It's not. I don't know what it is for, but man, that's just spectacular. And look at the ocean. Boom. Oh, I want to see the drone. All right. I think I'm gonna do the drone. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, we're gonna go see our visitors. Oh boy! See, this is what I was telling you guys. We're staying at the very expensive hotel. This is the whole crew. Ramen for breakfast. The kids make what you get? Okay, we're heading out. Cutter. See? See? That's the whole crew right there. Huh?
Are you gonna go get the car? Oh yeah. Wait, we can walk up. Okay.
All right. Am I gonna get in trouble for doing this or? Sure.
Oh no. It's raining.
Hotel mulu siya from.
We can get binge. Don't Jaylin to lean on the tailgate. Jaylin, don't lean on the tailgate. We can get it. Oh my gosh, are you? All of them, they cannot. Oh my gosh, we're already getting pinched.
What are they doing? I don't know.
We cannot lean on the turkey, that's a Guam.
What do you
On the side, we cannot fit. Especially Julie, she's not.
It's okay, don't be scared. Maniac Crown Plaza. Oh, that's where we ate, right?
You guys were
Yeah, why didn't you pay for us to stay over there?
Hashtag broke girl.
Maybe she stayed with them ever since she was just a child. Wait, the siya lumatara, it's okay.
It's fine. That's Kmart? Yeah. Kmart, I think that's the only Kmart in the world. It looks like it. Kmart. What do you call this place?
Which one?
I'll put someone. I think, I don't know.
I'm not asking about that building. Lily said it's John F. Kennedy, but
That's,
I'm not asking about that school. I'm asking about this place, like this.
Oh yeah, this is Upper Tumon, I think.
Tumon?
Upper Tumon?
Oh. It's raining and it's sunny at the same time. It makes it really hot. Gas station. Love it. They even have a Subway. Ooh. I think Guam is even better than Hilo. Because Hilo is like, it's a small town. But over here you have all the fancy stores. Fancy stores. stateless. The store is good. See? They have all these selections for drinks. That's nice. Akit. Boss bevet det. Black label. Vet. Hä? Go.
99.
Hä? Gede?
299.
Go charge. Kecil.
Happy
Kecil
birthday.
charge. Hä?
Today, Kansas.
Oh. What's up, dude? Old youth, old charafa.
Di makanay, sorry boy. Hindi makanay fiki.
So, Sabag. Isante.
Isang trapo.
Isante. Isante. May tarapon no. Where are you? Now you're from Guam?
Yeah, I dropped 10 points yesterday. I dropped 10 points yesterday.
What's the plan today?
Nothing, we're gonna go home and sleep.
Talk to everyone.
We're gonna take a nap.
Talk to everyone.
Well, guys, I'm not going back to Seattle.
Tristan, come say hi.
It's Sunday, guys.
Are you the one that got married?
Oh, no.
Huh? Wrong guy?
Wrong one.
Okay. You're next. Hi, Mars. How are you? Good. Okay, Mommy doesn't want to go back to Seattle. Hi. Except for gas station, okay. Happy Sunday. You guys want to say hi? Ya karena we are wiki. Oh. Okay. That was so scary, dude.
Let me take your picture. There. Get up.
Sige, sabak na pagkalis ka. Maparap na dito, maliwan ko yung kato.
Oh, was that the YouTube? We watched the video this morning. It actually. Oh, so was this the video that you were the guy that was like running around?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so yeah, we saw the video. Oh, so I'm gonna be famous. Right on. I'm trying to look for my boys. My boys ran away.
Say hi.
Say hi, man. Saan ka po? Tapos
Ay, kapo. Don't forget about Trevor. Trevor.
Hi.
you want to do a shout out?
Shout out.
I'm good.
You?
Oh no. I'm
You very good.
Oh my god. What is he looking at? Oh,
What'd you say?
yeah.
David, Esther stay with you? Huh? Huh? You guys play game? Yeah. Did you play video game with Austin?
Tuesday.
You still waiting for your picture? Your video when you were dancing?
You tie your shoes, man?
That's the immaturity 이런 나. Huh? 가면 여기. That's your phone?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is your phone?
Yes, my laptop's still here.
Don't be running around like that. You guys want to say something?
Can we keep going? You want to say something?
Happy Sunday. Thank you guys for coming. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm shy. I don't know.
I
I don't know what to say.
I think what she meant to say is thank you for everyone that came from far and near. And, thank God for the opportunity to embrace it with family. And for all the money and rice. Oh, just kidding.
I'm sorry. I'm so
New
shy.
car.
Yeah.
Speaking of the new car, where is it?
Yeah, where is the new car?
Inside. It's over there.
River, you want to say something?
Good. Kiri Shota for getting caught for everything. 2 days passed and still grateful seeing family here. It's a lot on my mind for Kiri Show.
Sorry, I'm still trying to edit the video, so
No, you're good. Yes.
be patient, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Hey, and if
Hi. This is
Oh, there you are. Okay. Ah, man. Already went, yeah. I know. I touched me the stuff. Come, let's go. We're gonna go take a photo. Elijah.
Hello.
Okay, come. Where's mommy? What's this?
what's the plan?
I think we're gonna go home and take a nap.
Take a nap? Really?
He's really like just leaning over to see it. Where are you leaving at, Jay? It's Vanessa. I did.
Yeah, Trayvon. I'm taking him. I'm taking baby. Taking baby home.
If you ask,
Who's she going with?
It's going with this.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, wait.
Is she going now?
Now we're just taking our
Who's she going with? Oh yeah. Okay. Daddy said he's gonna take you.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Okay. Bye.